Hi everybody, my name is Alyssa. I'm a sophomore living in Mather House, and this is my project for CS50. I built a web app called Vocab Builder that allows you to quickly keep a collection of words and definition pairs from words that you find online, whether copying and pasting it from a website or uploading it through a PDF that has an OCR layer. So everyone can create their own account. Brings you to the welcome page. To add words, you can upload a file, and you can designate whether you want it to look at only the highlighted words or not. So for this time I will. And then it'll tell you, okay, these are the words that we found. And for reference, this is the PDF that was used. Edge has this really nice feature to highlight only text. So you can see if I go and highlight Ipsum and save it, and then try to add words again, it still will not add the words because it wasn't a real word. Another thing you can do is paste text. Then you can go over to your list of words and it will keep track of what you've added. In the future, I would like to add functionality that lets people study their words and definitions, maybe through a few different types of games. I would also like to add a feature that lets people add an OCR layer to their PDF if it's missing one. Thanks for checking out my program.